Hey bugs, it's Deborah from BodyGarbage. As you can see, I have some soap shreds here in my crock pot that's going to overflow soon, but it's okay, it's gonna melt down. And, this is a bar of, well, a loaf of soap that I made last night, my actual cocoa and olive oil bar, which is one of my best sellers. It's a customer favorite, obviously, since it's a bestseller. But yeah, I don't know. I guess the nor'easter had me going crazy or something yesterday because I completely botched this soap. So it's rebatch time. I let it set up overnight, and I'm just grating up, as you can see, the last little piece of it. This is the shreds, and I'm gonna get this in the crock pot with maybe about a quarter cup, or a half a cup of water, and let this melt down like I'm rendering fat, and then remold it. Thank goodness for me, this is a soap that doesn't take any color or fragrance. It's an unscented, all natural bar of soap. The soap, let's put that to the side. Put the rest of this in here. And like I said, don't worry, it looks like a lot, but it's going to melt. And I'm just like annoyed that I completely messed up this soap. I don't know, it's just been a lot going on, with my mom and everything that I'm dealing with. And I think my mind just wasn't on it. Like, I don't know. But you'll have that. Life happens. You just have to roll with the punches. And that's the point, or the reason, rather, for a rebatch. So just give me 1 second. I forgot to bring up my distilled water. I'm going to measure out a half a cup. Pour that on top of this. It'll seep through. Put it in the crock pot base. And when we come back, I'll show you how far down it's melted. Okay, so now it's time to plate. Everything is all incorporated. All the soap that was uncooked yesterday has melted, and we're good to go. We have a safe bunch of soap right here. So let's plate. It's still steaming hot, but it doesn't require any color or fragrance, so this is fine. I'm just going to plate it as such. Just gonna lay it down a little. And you basically get the gist. We'll be back tomorrow for the cut. Hey bugs, it's time to cut the soap. This is the rebatch of the cocoa olive, or the unscented olive oil soap. I had this in the freezer for a few hours. Told you guys before, I'm impatient. And it felt a little sticky still, and it wouldn't come out. So bang, there you go. This is the whole loaf, and we're going to chop this up with my handy dandy knife that I actually got from the dollar store, and it's super sharp. Super duper sharp, which I like. I'm just gonna eyeball this. This is quite nice, actually. It feels like cutting into butter. Inside, top. Let me clean these up a little bit too. Let's place it to the side. And I'm not gonna bore you too much with these bars, because obviously all of them are going to look the same. There's no distinct pattern or anything that we have to look forward to, no swirls. It's just a naked plain Jane soap. Twist that off the knife, and there you have it. Cocoa olive or olive oil unscented.
So there you have it, folks, the making, cutting, and lather test of olive oil coconut soap. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You can also leave a comment down below. And if you like, you can follow all of my social media accounts, and those links are in the description box below. You can also find my Etsy if you like to shop, and my GoFundMe if you like to support my campaign. Thank you all for watching again. Bye for now. Have a blessed evening.